Hi guys, Paul Pluta on the Paul Pluta channel. Today I'm doing paid reviews. Paid reviews, guys. And today I'm doing one for Mike. Mike says, "Hi Archie, I've watched your channel for years and I value your opinion. I currently own an Amiga Speedmaster Man on the Moon and a Rolex Explorer 1 14270. I also own a Patek Philippe 3919. So 3919, that's the classic Calatrava. A little bit small, it's 33 mils, but it's the very, very classic Patek with hobnail bezel, Roman numerals, uses the 215 manual wind movement, which is just an icon. And you got the Explorer 1, the 14270, so that's the 36 mil. Little bit small as well, but still a great piece. I'm looking to trade in the 3919 for a more modern piece. I really like the Vacheron Constantine Patrimony Traditionale 82172 in white gold. I'm also looking at a Patek 5119. The old styling of the 5199 does not bother me. I like the look of it. I love the Patek 5196G, but the lack of a display back fucks me off to the point that I won't be happy with it. I know that VC has a softer resale market than Patek, but I plan on keeping this watch for the rest of my life. Would I be making a mistake by buying a Vacheron over a Patek? I will be buying used, of course. Thank you for your time, Archie. You're a cool dude, and I really enjoy the wisdom that you share in your videos. I'm about 10 years younger than you, and you have helped me steer clear of some trouble in my life. Is your P.O. box still a good way to send stuff to you in the mail? How can I send you a bottle of wine? Regards, Mike." So firstly, yes, the P.O. box. Look in the description below for my P.O. box. If you want to send me wine, the best way is through Dan Murphy's, because you don't have to ship it from your country where it gets taxes and nasty shit. You can just go to Dan Murphy's, pay by your credit card, give them my name, Paul Pluta, email me, and I'll give you my mobile number so they can advise me when it's ready to be picked up. Now, Mike, let's have a talk here. Let's just back up some trucks and let's talk this out. You never own a Patek Philippe, you merely look after it for the next generation. Well, what the fuck are you doing selling the 3919? Fuck! You're supposed to look after it for the next generation, and you're already hawking it. I know, it's 33 fucking mils. 33 fucking mils. I owned one in the early 2000s. I love my Patek. I got it from Shawnee from European Watch Gallery in Melbourne, Australia. That's where I bought my first Patek, Shawnee. But I gotta tell you, what the fuck are you doing? You're not supposed to trade these things in. I know, life gets in the way. And you're looking at, so okie dokie. Fuck! Now, I gotta be honest with you there, the 3919. So you got the Amiga Speedmaster Man under fucking Moon watch. Keep that. Keep the Moon watch. Keep the Moon watch. 42 mil. It's an icon. It's a classic. Beautiful. You got an Explorer 1. Yes, the 14270. 36 mil. A wee bit small, but not terrible. It's not terminal. And now you got the Patek 3919. You're thinking, fuck, this baby is small. Wiener issues. We got wiener issues. Yes, 33 mil. How do I feel on it? What would I do? Oh, this is a hard thing. See, because the problem is, you know, the 3919, it is a bit fucking small. 33 mils is fucking small. I agree. I would probably sell it whilst you can get a good price on it. it's still a classic Patek. You want to present it well. I hope you've still got box and papers for it, and I'd get it. I'd possibly a new strap, polish it lightly, polish it up without fucking it up. I personally don't like the legs on the case of a 3919. I don't like the legs. I don't really like the 5119 because I think the problem with the 5119 is that it is too fucking how do I put this? I think it's just basically the 3919 brought out a bit, you know. Mind you, the 3919, it doesn't have a display back either. That doesn't seem to piss you off there. So I gotta say there, it's a weird thing that you would be making such comments about it. I gotta tell you, the Vacheron Constantine Patrimony Traditional 82172, that's a fucking nice looking watch. It's fucking nice. I believe it's got a display back. It's fucking nice. It is fucking nice. However, together forever, we couldn't possibly buy a Vacheron. That it would be stupid. I know, I love the brand Vacheron, but fuck me dead. We want to stay away from that brand. It's not Patek, okay? It is, okay, I know this model looks so beautiful. It does look beautiful, but personally, I would be going 5196, okay? I would. I think, see, it doesn't have a display back. Well, Jesus Christ. I like the 5196 because it has manual wind movement, which I think is better, because the automatic have the date, and then you're continually trying to set the correct because you don't want the wrong date displayed, and you end up fucking the thing up. So I think the 5196 is a perfect Patek. I think that is a much better piece. The Vacheron, you'll never get the resale that you would on a Patek. You got to get the Patek, okay? You got to get it. If you don't like the 5196, why don't you get a 5127? Okay, that's basically the 5107, except it's the model after it. 5127, it's got display back. That's Crown Guard, Crown Guard, not chronograph, it's not a fucking chronograph. Crown Guards on it. I thought it was sexy as sin. 37 mils. So it's not a big monster, but it uses a 20 mil strap and it's quite thin. So it wears bigger than the 37 mils. Yeah, don't buy the Vacheron. The Vacheron, I mean, it's a sexy, cool, gorgeous, beautiful watch, but fuck me dead, very hard to resell. In fact, the whole market has changed in watches. It really is. It really is a sports sort of market. So I think that whole genre of dress watch, it's kind of on the way out there. So my opinion is, if you're going to buy the ultimate dress watch, I'd be going Patek 5196 or 5127. I don't like the 5227. That's got the hinged back. I think that's, you imagine if that fucks up, Jesus Christ, you'd have a repair bill to fix that bastard up. I love the Vacheron. It is a cool looking Vacheron, but don't fucking do it. Don't fucking do it. It's just stupid. You're going to be, it's just dumb, okay? Get the Patek. You got to get the Patek. Get the Patek. At least you'll be able to get out of this fucking 3919. Could you imagine if you had a 33 mil Vacheron? You couldn't give the fucking thing away, okay? Same with AP. AP had 33 mil watches. They're fucking, nobody wants them. Nobody fucking wants them. A Patek is still a Patek. My advice, I'd get rid of the 3919 whilst you can. I'd personally get a 5196. I think that's the best. If you don't like the 5196, get a 5119, okay? That's what I'd be doing. I'd be getting out whilst it's still it's still a Patek. See, that's the whole thing. Everybody wants a Patek Philippe. So even though it is 33 mils, which is fucking small, it still can sell. So I reckon that's what I'd do. Get the 5119. I personally would get a 5196, but you don't see, it seems to be a problem not having the display back. Well, the 3919 doesn't have a display back, but you don't seem to mention bitch about that in your thing. But mind you, we do want to flick it, so maybe it's yeah. So guys, that is my opinion there. That's my opinion on a few pieces. Guys, tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. I'm Paul Pluta on the Archie Luxury channel. Paul Pluta channel. Tell me what you guys think of that. Like, subscribe, tell your fuckhead friends, and remember, comment below. 10 ways you can help me stay full-time on YouTube. Look below, fuckers. See you later.
Okay.
Oh, guys, I forgot there. I forgot to tell you guys, I stuffed up one of my video ads. You know the ad I did for crypto trends? Well, sorry, just a bit of depression eating. Anyhow, the ad I did for crypto trends, I advertised it as Crypto Trends 2018. It's just crypto trends, guys. I made a mistake. Cut me some slack, would you? Crypto trends. Go and check them out, guys. Crypto trends. Hi, guys. Archie Luxury channel, Paul Pluta channel. And my good friend, Tanzillan, answering super chats. It's not about the money. It's not about the money. I feel like I'm doing my passion. Tanzillan, simply the best. And he's got another one for you here. How's this? It's not about the money. It's not about the money. It's my passion. Scheitling on time. Simply the best. Now, guys, I got to tell you, I struggle to survive full-time on YouTube. Please look in the description below for 10 ways you can keep me full-time on YouTube. Guys, I really need your help. Please consider getting a paid video review. I'll do a review on any watch, any question you want. Guys, you can sponsor me on Patreon. You can sponsor me for as little as $1 a month. $1 a month. And that just keeps me going on full-time on YouTube. Guys, you could also, I do phone calls. You can talk to me for an hour on the phone, Skype or WhatsApp, for $50 US. Guys, I really do need your help to stay full-time. Men cannot survive on Google Ads alone. Please help me. Please help me stay full-time on YouTube. And guys, don't forget that. It's not about the money. It's my passion. Scheitling on time. Simply the best. Tanzillan, thank you. That's a sponsored bit from Tanzillan. I can do that for $150 a month if you email me directly. Look below for my email address, guys.